Okay, welcome to Mount Kinabalu. This is the beginning of the climb. Mount Kinabalu is the highest mountain of Borneo in Sabah, Malaysia, and it's the highest mountain between the Himalaya and Papua New Guinea. Right now we're at approximately 2,200 meters, and you can really see the vegetation changing as you go higher. So right now you can see some of the giant tree ferns like this one here, and we'll see what's ahead of us. We'll see what's coming up next. So right now we're at 2,700 meters elevation, and we found something very special thanks to Francis, my guide, who showed me a very special place with a pitcher plant, and this is it. This is a pitcher plant, Nepenthes Raja. Is it Raja? It's not Villosa, it's Raja. Is it, Francis? Nepenthes Raja, yeah?
Yes, Nepenthes Raja.
So this is it. It's fantastic. So that's the wonders of nature, the magic of nature. You can see some. They say that sometimes even you can find even a rat inside, which is not the case here.
Also frog.
Some insect.
Inside.
It's been very dry actually. The season's been very dry, so there isn't much to be seen inside. Not even any. There's no water inside. We are really lucky because not far from Nepenthes Raja we found Nepenthes villosa, which is another endemite right only here on Kinabalu, found nowhere else.